What's going on YouTube? This is JabberTech, and this is a very affordable titanium Quickfit 26mm style band from a company called LDFAS. Now it's $60. This is hundreds less than the official Garmin titanium. This is the stainless steel one. This is not the titanium, but I'm just going to show you what it looks like against an actual Garmin device. We're going to check out the quality and see how this is. At $60, this could be the absolute steal, guys, an absolute deal. You know, on my channel, I love finding deals and steals. Let's go ahead and unbox this thing, check it out together, and see what it's all about. So the packaging is pretty simple, guys, but I kind of like it. I like the color scheme that they use here. But let's just go ahead, check this out, and see what we get inside. We already did a little rip action there. So here we have some instructions for those of you that want to know how to change the links. They're pretty simple. If you've ever changed links on any other watch, you'll be right at home here. But what I like about it, they actually give you the tools. When you buy the official Garmin, they don't give you tools for all that money you spend. I kind of wish Garmin would give you the tools. This is something pretty simple. It just looks like a push pin and then two extra pins here. So that's pretty cool. Let's take a look. So this is it. This is the color, and let me just show you the color between this and the original Garmin. And I'll put it on my Fenix here so you can take a look at it, but I just want to show you the actual differences that you notice right off the bat, guys. It's just keeping the clasp pristine. There we go. So if you can tell, there's definitely some color differences here. The titanium one here is just a little bit more black, and this is more of a gray. That's what I purchased, so for those of you that want a black style band, this is probably better. Other key differences is it's actually pretty light. It's definitely a lot lighter than the actual Garmin. You do see you have a double clasp here, so that gives me a little bit more confidence that this is going to stay connected. And it is pretty nice. No problems with that at all. Here's your quick fit mechanism. Just like that. And that's one thing to note too, guys, about these aftermarket bands, is that quick fit spring, I'm going to call it, is actually, it's a little bit narrower. On the actual Garmin ones, they're usually a lot wider than on here, but the spring feels pretty good, but it goes right back into place. And you do have stainless steel screws there. And that's really it, guys. I mean, this is, for $60, you're getting a nice titanium band. Now let me just show you what it looks like on the watch. Now this is the Fenix 5X Plus. So for those of you that want a watch band that actually kind of matches the black, this might actually look a lot better for you guys. What do you think about that? Just take a look. It's a nice design. They actually copied the design of the Garmin one pretty nicely. So just for comparison, let me show you what it looks like with the gray band from Garmin. You notice that the color differences are pretty noticeable. It's not really matching. So this is giving it more of like a two-tone type of look, two-tone type of feel. This is what it'll look like on the wrist. Now you can see there's a lot of extra play here, guys. So for those of you that have larger wrists or smaller wrists, this is not going to be an issue to fit your size or to get the size right. Let me go ahead and size this up, and I'm going to show you what it looks like when it's all sized up. But initially, guys, I think this is a pretty nice watch band, especially for the price. You're getting a nice titanium black band for $60. That's actually pretty unheard of. The silicone bands from Garmin cost about 50 bucks, so this is an absolute steal to get a metal titanium band for about the same price, and it actually looks a little nicer. It matches the black on black, black on black on black. I'm going to size this up and be right back. I'm actually back. I wasn't going to show you how to remove the pins, but these are a little bit different than what I'm used to and what you're probably used to on a regular watch. These are the pins, guys, and what they've done, they've actually made it a spring loading type of mechanism here, so it's a lot easier to remove a link. Let me just show you what you guys have to do. Just so that you know, all you have to do is press into one of the holes of the link you want to move. Press that spring action and just lift up the link. So that's something pretty cool, guys. It makes it really easy to remove these links. Let me show you that again, just so that you get the idea. I actually like that. Props to them for doing this. It makes it a lot easier to remove these links. Find the link that you want to remove, press in slightly and sort of push up, and the link comes out, guys. So super simple. Really a thumbs up to that idea. I really like that. So this is it, guys. Literally, it took me about 5 minutes to remove all the links that I needed to remove it. And this is how I like wearing my watch. I like it a little loose personally. But again, there's so much play that you can actually have this really tight or really loose. That just depends on your style and how you like wearing watches. It matches the Garmin watch a little bit nicer, the black on black. And the double clasp is nicely satisfying. Gives you that reassurance that it's pretty good. Let's do the shake test. Not coming off at all, guys. And the springs are pretty cool. They give you a nice satisfying feedback and spring back into action. So no issues with these springs at all. So let me know what you guys think about this watch band. I actually dig it. So for those of you looking for a nice metal band that's not going to break the bank, definitely check out this one. The links will be in my description below. I really appreciate you guys watching. Thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys next time.